Can't compete with the Muse BP. We'll see. I know. How about that 20, please? There he is.
Nope.
Yeah, I'll start eating the chatterdiddle along here. That's all we usually do. Big shepherd. I bet you do. We don't know where to go. Where? Stuffed him. He hit it on, I was just letting it fall.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Like I was just straight line it, twitch and let it fall. I thought it was grass at first till it, you know, didn't feel like grass.
You got it.
Like second cast with the minnow over there. He goes down and they go up. Yo. First bass of the day.
You got him.
Choked it. Oh, BP, the winged fluke survived one fish. We're not gonna, because I'm gonna throw the glad bait.
I was losing it, I mean.
Alright, BP, I'll wing my fluke down here. It was on the fall. Like you said, I like threw it out there, gave it a couple little twitches, you know. Well, mainly just kind of pulled it straight and gave it a few little twitches, and then this might be something big actually. It hasn't really started fighting yet, but when I try to pull up on it, it's got some weight to it. Yeah, maybe. I'll let that pull me towards the front there. Might be a walleye. It's fighting more like a walleye than a striper. course, he's right under the boat. No, no. In a bad spot though, VP. Dang, his head's shaking like pretty hard though. Like his head's shaking real hard. Is this the lake record walleye? State record saw guy? Oh, I see leader. Saw leader. Hey, can you grab that net? Yeah. That's a big channel cat.
I did. I told you it was catfish. The wave was swimming right straight down. Dude.
Yeah. It was just head shaking real hard, I guess, because I hooked it like right on the outside of its mouth. Oh, pretty fish. Freshwater salmon.
Oh, he's saving a minnow down there?
Yeah, there you go.
Jesus.
You get good barb on that hook. Oh. Look at you, guy. Oh, there we go, bud. I can get my hook out without breaking it now. He's hooked good. Right in the corner of his mouth in that little thick area with a bunch of flash, a bunch of that stretchy flash, you know. There he goes. Oh. Big old slippery boy trying to poop on me. Slimy man. Oh. Trying to roll on me. Yeah. Well, wasn't the lake record saw guy, or the state record saw guy. For some reason they like it. #1 hook. Yeah, it has to be the #1 hook. If you gotta have all that body hanging off the back of limp, you know, you need all that plastic back there just dangling.
I got like right there, and I was casting over there. He was and then getting bites, and then started going over there. I was like, fuck.
Yeah.
What did I do wrong?
Everything.
I just want something wrong.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
They love this tiny fluke, BP. Well, you got some of these. You just need the #1 hook. That's the secret. I just drop it. I work it along, then kill it, and they just smoke it when it's killed every time. A little pickerel. Or is that a little walleye? Oh no, it's a little skinny old bass. I'm blind as hell. But I can catch fish, so that's why you bring me.
I told you, I gotta find them. You catch them. You got them. My bait weeks out this little one.
Yeah, baby.
Trap.
My hand is all slimy from the bass, so I can hardly hold it. I know, I just hold it on the barb. Alright. I don't want to pull into it at all because it's so soft. Because then you're going to break off and you're going to blame it on me.
Blame it on the world. Blame it on the fish that stole my rod.
She's still got a little life in her, BP.
I can't post that clip of my fish skin on my rod yet.
Oh. Like crop it.
You see a big old fucking roll out behind.
BP.
I wasn't like cursing though. I was just like, fuck it.
Yeah.
Like scuba gear, I get it.
Oh, there you go. Where are you? On the new rod. Oh, big old yellow perch. Ooh, there we go. Almost doubled up technically. The torn up wing fluke still catches them. Oh, yeah, BP. Hold on. Hold on to him for a second. I got one too. Oh. Oh, come on.
Look how fat this thing is. Yours might be longer.
Look how fat this thing is.
On them.
Jesus.
Blaming me for
I
sure.
hate them. Open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth.
Yours might
Like tongue hooked.
Yeah, I think yours is bigger.
Yeah.
Mine's got a bigger belly though.
Mine's a bigger fucking asshole. The bottom lip hooked. There he is. They probably look about the same from here. Slab. We could be eating BP, but we're not. We eat our Wheaties. Let me clean mine off for a second. It's dirty. What you say? Oh yeah, that's what I was trying to avoid. I'm surprised you didn't stab me when you slipped out. I don't know, maybe? No, that's a bass, I think.
Jumper.
Oh, he shook the fluke up. Oh no, he didn't.
Luck back.
Oh shit. New rod, new fish, first bass. Oh yeah. I calculate jigging the minnow is the best strategy. Oh yeah. I think I hit record.
He said, why are we coming here? There's water down here. That's all fish. Fish showers here?
Yeah.
I need stuff. Trying to pull up too far.
Being is a little bass. That's why I throw the winged fluke, because it weeds out the little ones. A weird angle.
Yeah, put some perch on my leg. Right here somewhere. If I catch my rod,
Yeah.
you gotta give me a hit.
I'll give you 10 Cheez-Its, BP. Ooh, there it
You
is.
out here trying to catch fish?
We were catching fish on the chatterbait. Tiny little yellow perch hit it. Okay, that was a small yellow perch, and I caught on the other thing.
Oh, it's huge.
I think you're gonna know if you get that BP. You're gonna feel like you got a good bass on or something.
Damn funny.
That feels like a bass, or at least a bigger perch. Pickerel. Dude, you are the worst. You know that? Alright, your job is to not jump out of my hands onto BP's rods. Chill for a second, chill for a second, chill for a second. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Big old freshwater eel. Oh yeah. Destroyed my spunk shad. Well, it's still on there.
I'm dredging the bottom right now.
I mean, the problem is if it was a fish hooked it and ran off with it, it could be, you know, 50 yards in any direction too.
That little fish ain't swimming like that.
How do you think I got it off the boat? There we are.
Catching them on the point.
Another perch. See if it'll stay pinned. I got it reel so fast. Reel so fast to keep the perch pinned. Reel so fast to keep the perch pinned. Get him right out of the water. Don't fall on BP's rods. And that's how you catch perch on a chatterbait. Don't you stab me. Don't you stir me. You stab me, I'm going to eat you. You stab me, I'm going to eat you. Shot right out of my hand. BP hates this one simple fishing hack.
The wacky dacky.
The wacky dacky. And now we wait. And wait. And wait.
Now I think Dean far away from the shore.
No.
Because he has no motor.
God.
Cheating.
Oh, get off.
You stole yours.
No, you didn't steal it. You just shook loose.
Good job, Dean. You did it.
But wait, VP, there's more. Keep him on this side of the boat this time. Get over here. That tongue hook bass. Little green guy. Alright, let's see if I can do it, BP. All I gotta do is catch one on the line through, which is basically guaranteed. And then I need the glide bait fish, which, not guaranteed.
What did you call him on? 3 rods?
Yeah. Only got 5 with me. And one of the ones I haven't caught him on is a line through, so.
Well, I'm fishing on 3 rod. I didn't count it.
If they get a good amount of sun. Oh, what does VP got? Look a bass. Bad boy. Oh, bad boy.
I'm going to give it the long, drawn-out Dean fight. Fighting for a minute and a half.
Yeah. Cause I'm fighting on an 8-pound line.
I'll make him jump. We're giving another jump too. Ready? Oh! He's peeling drag. coming up. Oh, big one. Up.
He's gonna steal the rod. He's gonna steal the rod, BP.
You gotta jump. Get that blue dorsal. Yeah?
No,
Got blue right there.
I believe you, but I can't see it from here.
It has gills, it's blue. Black people will smell my stripes. They come get me through the woods.
I'll come eat you. It's like the 6 to 8 one. That was a fast moving bass. Come on, bud. Oh. Smoked it. You know what Lil Wayne said? It's I against the world, and I'm strapped.
Pick the world up, drop it on your motherfucking head. Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Pick the world up, drop it on your head. Yeah.
You don't need live scope. You just need a good attitude. See, you can ride the strapper. The DWR doesn't want you to know, but you can ride the strapper.
Oh, it's a perch. I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Blind, big old perch.
Yeah,
He would hit the glide bait.
Show the viewers of the United States of America my perfectly
Yeah.
yellow perch.
And Uzbekistan.
That was a perfect catch. Over here on the eastern seaboard of the Atlantic. Actually, it's the western Atlantic. This is a western Atlantic yellow perch.
Splash. Should have got the perch color chop block. I don't even know if they have one. They got the shell cracker one. Got the regular one. Oh. There he is.
You smoked it.
Get in here. Oh.
Oh, it's barely
Look
hooked.
at that.
You got one.
Biggest bass of the day. Look at that harness hooked on the outside and on the inside. Somehow the biggest bass of the day so far, which is pretty disappointing.
I called one.
What'd you say?
I called bigger than that.
No, you didn't. The biggest 2.5 pounder we've seen all day.
Wrong. What do we do?
Too many rods in the boat.
I don't know that.
They can feel it, BP. Their lateral line is used to sense how many rods are in a fishing boat. A stick.